Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do this very simple everyday look for the weekend. So on a typical weekend, I actually don't wear foundation and I skip straight to concealer. So I'm using the Becca concealer in Banana, and I just immediately go in with a beauty blender and I apply some of the concealer in my under eye area, like so. I also then apply the concealer on my chin because I'm breaking out in that area right now. Then I'm going to use my beauty blender and I'm dabbing, making little quick dabbing motions to blend in my concealer into my under eye area and my chin. And I know, looking at the video, it looks like I'm pressing really hardly, but I'm not. I just tend to apply my makeup quite quickly, and I do very quick light taps in those areas to blend in my concealer. Next, I'm going to use the Hourglass setting powder and diffused light with a black fluffy brush in order to set my concealer, just to help it stay and last longer on my face. And you know, I'm not applying that much, just a little bit, just to set everything. And I'm basically done with the face prepping part, and now I'm gonna go on to my eyebrows. I'm using the Benefits Brow Pot, my bad, the Cabrow Pot, and the color number 3. And I don't apply my eyebrow pencil or color like how Instagram influencers do, where it looks almost too refined. What I like to do is just kind of naturally fill in my brows, making it a little bit darker on the side closer to the center of my nose, and kind of taper it out slightly as you go outward. But I just find that gives my eyebrows a little bit more of a natural look to it, almost as if I'm not wearing eyebrow pencil. And oh no, I noticed that right now one of my eyebrows is a bit darker than the other, and that's totally fine. I chose not to edit this part out because I just kind of wanted y'all to see, you know, what do you do when like you mismatch or you don't apply something evenly. And it's pretty simple to fix for eyebrows. You can always just go a little bit darker on the side that is lighter, just because, you know, with makeup it kind of fades over the day. And plus also I have bangs and they kind of cover one of my eyebrows, so that kind of covers the asymmetry. And in an ideal world, I will use cotton swabs or tissue paper to kind of wipe away that brow, but it's okay, fingers works just as well. After my eyebrows, I'm going to start on my eyes and my eyeshadow. So before that, I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I'm applying a little bit of this all over my eyelids. And this primer I've been using since I was 18, and it just really helps my eyeshadow last longer and be more vibrant on my eyes. So I'm a big fan. I think it's like the OG eyeshadow primer, and I highly recommend everyone to use it or to try it out in the store at the very least. Okay, I'm going to start on my eyeshadow now, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I absolutely love this palette. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit, and it's a wonderful palette, and I'm going to use a few colors. So the first color is this Tempera color as my base. I'm applying this all over my eyelid, and I find that it works as a great base to kind of just support all the other eyeshadows on top. And no worries if you don't have the Anastasia palette. I think any kind of whiter, shimmery shadow serves as a great base. Next, I'm going to apply the color Buon Fresco, which is a light pink mauve matte shade, and this is going to be my crease color that I'm going to apply on the outer and center crease of both my eyes. Now I'm applying the same eyeshadow to the other eye, and the most important part of any matte transition shades such as this color is that you make sure that it's properly blended on both eyes. And you can already see it already adds depth to my eyes that wasn't there before. Next, I'm going to use my ring finger to apply the color Primavera to the center of my eye. Primavera is a rose gold color with a satin shimmer finish, and it really helps brighten my whole eye. Next, I'm using a small dome-shaped dense brush to apply the color Vermeer to the corner of my eyes, just to complete the whole look and add a nice pop of color to the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also going to use the color Tempera and apply that to my brow bone just to highlight that area. Oh, and I almost forgot, but luckily I didn't. I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and apply the color Antique Bronze to the outer corner of my eyes in order to make it a bit more dramatic and also add some depth into my eyes. Since my eyes naturally pop out a little bit, I like to add a darker color to the outer corner just to create more dimension. Okay, next I'm going to take my black eyeliner from MAC that I actually got on sale at Nordstrom Rack, and I'm going to tight line my upper inner kind of eyelid area, as you can see in the video. And I do this before I put on my liquid eyeliner. And if you're wanting a less dramatic look, you can just keep the tight line as it is without adding a liquid eyeliner. And now I'm taking my go-to Urban Decay eyeliner in the color Perversion, which is their black color, and I'm going to create a very small winged eyeliner look, just because something, you know, it's the daytime. I think if it were the nighttime, I would draw out my wing a little bit more. I'm going to take the MAC eyeliner again, and this time I'm going to line the bottom of my eye, just the outer corner, to kind of brighten the whole area. Because my eyes are a little bit larger, I don't like to tight line or draw on the waterline the whole way across the bottom of my eye. I just like doing it on the outer corners. I think that's just the perfect amount that I need for my everyday look. Next, I'm going to take my eyelash curler that I got in Japan. This is from Shiseido, and I'm just going to very quickly just curl my eyelashes. I don't have very long eyelashes naturally, so I just make do with what I have. I don't really like wearing false eyelashes, so yeah, I love my eyelash curler. Next, I'm going to take my mascara from Urban Decay. This is their Perversion line, and as you can tell, I really love Urban Decay. I happened to get the mascara and eyeliner dual bundle on sale at Nordstrom Rack, so I actually bought like like 10 of them, and essentially this is my several years worth of eyeliner and mascara supply. And yeah, I'm just applying mascara to kind of finish off the eye section of my look. I definitely feel that mascara is something that you do not need to buy any prestige or high-end brand for. I think any drugstore mascara works just as well as any high-end mascara. The reason I just have Urban Decay is just because it was on sale in a bundle with the eyeliner, which I absolutely love. It was on sale at Nordstrom Rack. Next, for contour, I'm going to be using the Fenty Matchsticks. This one is in the color Mocha, which is a cooler tone. I personally think for contour, less is more. I know the current trend is to have a lot of heavy contour, and I think that looks great for photos, for up and close photos, but I think for every day, a simple touch of contour right below the cheekbone is all you need. So right now I'm going to take a flat brush. This one's from Cover FX. I look like a clown right now. But yeah, and I'm just going to kind of blend it. And gosh, looking at this video that I'm now doing a voiceover for, it looks like I'm being very harsh on my skin, but I promise you, it's not that harsh. I just tend to apply makeup pretty quickly, like I said earlier. And yeah, so right now I'm just blending away the contour so that it almost looks like as if it doesn't exist, like it looks almost kind of natural. And that's what you want. You want contour that adds some color to your complexion, and my complexion's on the lighter side, so I like having some contour just to add some dimension to my cheekbone area. And I also applied whatever was left over on my contour, and I applied it to my forehead area, just a touch of it as well. Okay, next I'm going to be applying blush, and this is blush from Tarte, and I'm using a round, large dome-shaped brush to apply just a little bit of the blush on the apples of my cheeks. And as you can see, it's very light, almost as if it's not there. And that's what you want blush to be as well, just like your contour, as if it's barely there. Okay, next I'm taking a small stippling brush, also from Urban Decay, also on sale at Nordstrom Rack, or was on sale at Nordstrom Rack. And I'm taking a highlighter that's also Urban Decay and applying it on the, like right above the cheekbones, just to finish off the highlighted part of my look, of my face. Next, I'm going to moisturize my lips using the Smith's lip balm that I've had for a few years now, and it's very moisturizing. It's also doesn't spill everywhere. I really like it, and I use it every day. Next, I'm using my favorite liquid lipstick from Bare Minerals. I absolutely love this liquid lipstick. It's in the color Juju, and it's just this amazing mauve color, like a nude mauve-y color. And it just goes great with my skin tone. It's good if you have cool skin tones. And last but not least, I am just brushing my hair to complete the look and make sure everything is all tidy. I think everything looks good, and now I'm ready to head out and go about my day and hang out with my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something, or at least enjoyed watching me put on my makeup. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week ahead. If you like what you saw, please subscribe below. I'm also open to any comments, constructive or positive. I really do want to learn, improve, and grow my channel. So thank you again.